Welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for always being here and for always supporting the channel. None of this would have been possible without you, and so I want to say special thank you to all of you, and most of all, thank you to God Almighty, because of course we cannot do anything without him. So yes, so guys, this morning we are on our farm again. We would have been on the farm a couple of weeks ago, and we highlighted the fact that we'd have planted yam on our farm, and we'd have explained what would have taken place where we decided to stop the yam planting, and now we're planting ginger. So if you have not seen that video, we'll put that at the end of this video, that video where we discuss about the yam and so on, so you can actually go and watch that video. So this morning we're on the farm, and we would have planted some amount of ginger. Let me show you from here to somewhere in the middle, close to the bottom. We have not yet reached the bottom, and there is Mr. Kemp on the farm, and currently he's planting some. What are you planting, Mr. Kemp? Say hello.
Pumpkin, I plant pumpkin.
Yes, he's planting some pumpkin seeds this morning. So we'd have gotten a pumpkin from someone, and we actually like it. It's really good, and so we decided to plant the seeds. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so as I was saying before, so somewhere just about where Mr. Kemp is where I think the ginger is a little bit above that. That's where we stop for the time being. So
Ginger, come right here.
right, okay. Right, so just about where my husband is standing right now, that is where we stopped for now, planting the ginger. So we have ginger from the top right to where he is standing. So it's not too bad, right guys? It's not too bad at all. All right, so throughout the ginger, so what you're looking at, those green plants, those are peas. Red peas. So we decided to plant some red peas throughout the farm, so we can have our little red peas, and maybe can share some with friends and family, so we have a good amount of peas in this, right? Look at that. Wow. Can I tell you how excited I was after planting the peas and actually see it come up, and the feeling of satisfaction to know that, oh really, it's me plant that, or I assisted somewhat. So I'm going to track these peas from start to finish, really and truly, because I think this is my first time actually planting peas. So I am watching to see what will come of it, and of course we'll show you as we go along. We'll show you the progress of the farm. All right, so now we are going to be looking at what Mr. Kemp is doing down there. So let's go down. Okay, so you're actually weeding out some of the grass out of the area. Yeah. Okay, so see, we have the pumpkin seeds over here. Not too plenty, but still gonna plant it anyway. Yes. And this year, plant right here, we saw it this morning. We were looking at it and we weren't sure what it is. My husband is saying it looks like pumpkin. I'm saying it looks like melon. Don't know the melon seeds that I've gotten here, if it is in fact a melon, but we're just gonna wait and see what comes of it and what it is, if it's really pumpkin or melon. So we saw two of the plants in the farm. So this is one, and the other one, oh, it's three in fact. So see another one here. Yeah. And then there's another one over here.
of them. So I'm looking for
Oh,
them.
wow. So we have more. We have plenty. So we have 4.
So we save them, huh?
Yeah. To see what they are.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm kind of hoping it will be melon, you know. That would be a first. So let's see. And of course, we'll show you what it is when we finally get to reap it. Whatever it is, we'll show you. So I'm hoping it's melon. But if it's pumpkin, we're glad same way. All right. So let me just give you a view of the peas up where the ginger is. So it's from all the way up there. So here, basically down to here. So we got these area plowed up, but we just don't find the time as yet to plant some more ginger. And because it has been raining heavily, it keeps us out of the farm somewhat. So it's a weekend and we are on the farm. So we're planning to spend maybe just an hour or 2. Or as soon as we finish planting the pumpkin seeds, then we'll leave. But also, guys, I must tell you that what we did as well, we would have purchased some seeds. Right, Mr. Kemp? What kind of seeds we purchased again?
Carrot,
And callaloo?
pepper, callaloo, tomato.
Tomatoes.
And what again?
I think that's about it. So the sweet pepper, carrot, callaloo, tomato.
Callaloo, tomato, sweet pepper. We never get no cucumber.
No, I don't think so. Did we get pak choy?
I don't think so.
Okay. So guys, what we did, because we are told that, you know, when you're planting those things, you have to plant and then
You sow it.
you sow it.
And some of them, you sow it and transplant it. But we just sprinkle the seeds.
Throughout.
So we just decide whatever we get from it, we just, you know, because we're doing it for ourselves. So we don't even plan to fertilize it or anything.
Yeah. We just gonna let it stay there and, you know, whatever come of it, then we use it in the household. Right. So that we will show you too. I'm yet to see, I think I saw the carrot coming up the other day. I'll show you that in a little while. I'll see if I can find it. All right, so are we gonna plant the pumpkin in beside the ginger, or are we just gonna use some of these new
Remember, we have plant ginger down here, so. But
let's put the pumpkin to the end.
down at the
See,
bottom,
these, no, right here. Can we use these 3 rows? Right
the
here.
pumpkin don't really want no plow land, you know.
Also, you want us to put it down at the bottom then?
But all down there's a plow too.
Come on, Marcel.
I don't know if I plant it. We plant some in there, so.
All right, so we're gonna plant it over there, so. All right. All right, viewers and subscribers. I'm also gonna show you some of the other things we planted yesterday. We planted some thyme and we planted some mint, and there's something called Indian thyme. I was told we got it. Smells really good. I'm told that it is used to season meat, or it can it make tea, the Indian? Oh, I'm not too sure, but I know that it can. This is it. This is what they call the Indian thyme. It smells really, really good. So I'm told that it can be used to season your meat or so. So I'm gonna try it, but I decided to, you know, plant it so we can actually have the tree out here. Yeah. And so also we got some mint. Here it is. And we decided to plant it, guys. I'm telling you that I am encouraged by our farmers, and so I find that more and more when I go out and I get something, I want to just plant it. You know, you don't want to always be asking persons or looking to get something from somebody, but to have your own so that you can at least have for yourself and share with other persons. So this is our mint. And I talked to you about the carrot a while ago that we sowed throughout the farm, and see some of them coming up there. Right. So I don't see anything else yet. I don't see the callaloo coming up yet, so I'm still waiting. Or the callaloo or the tomatoes. So we're still waiting to see. As soon as they come up, then of course, you know, we'll share the progress with you. So the time is over here. Right. So in short order, we'll have thyme and, you know, tomatoes and all those things on the farm. All right. So I definitely have to big up a number of persons, because this time, scallion, sorry, hear me about scallion, man. All right, the thyme, the mint and the Indian thyme. Big up to Miss Q, would have gone to Salmon Town in Manchester, and she would have given us all of these things. And so, compliment of Miss Q, we were able to plant them. So big up yourself, Miss Q, lovely young lady. Also, guys, just want to make mention of Mas Bernie and Mas Balti, whom we also met when we went and did an interview with Miss Q in the community, and we spoke to a number of residents. Very nice people, very special people. I am happy. I had the pleasure of meeting them, and they would have given us, you know, mint and the pumpkin. So Mas Bernie, Mas Balti, here we are planting the pumpkin seeds, so that hopefully one day we can also give you a pumpkin or two. All right. Thank you so much. It was lovely. It was such a nice gesture, and we appreciated it. All right, guys. So yes, viewers and subscribers, my husband is just doing some weeding, because in short order we will be planting the pumpkin seeds. Okay, so we are planting at the same time. No problem with that. Okay, guys, so how many seeds we are putting in the hole, Marcel?
3 and 4 I put.
Oh, okay.
I'm not really sure how much you plant in them.
Okay.
Thick, so you know, say today.
Ew, so we have to do that as well. Okay, all right, so guys, I'm gonna look some sticks, so we'll be back in a moment. All right.
Market spot.
Yeah, so we pretty much just chop in some bamboo sticks so we can stick it right where we plant the pumpkin, so we can know that that is where the pumpkin seeds are planted. That's how you made? Let me see that. Oh, wow. It don't look too good at all.
Not good.
Yeah. Yeah, it look dried out and burned up.
Burn. Right now, this should have germinate long time. Catch that plant already, but can't plant pumpkin up in the same of the middle of the time. Not enough seed, too much there. So.
That's like 5 seeds. Or 6. You need a stick now?
Maybe like what the
heel? Oh, okay. That's another yam head or roots?
The yam head.
Oh.
By the time it was going.
So Mr. Kemp is just weeding. And you know guys, while we're weeding, we're finding so many yam heads in the hills, and you can see how they look. So remember we told you we lost pretty much everything. Those are the yam heads that are coming out, not looking too healthy at all. So yeah.
Now we get some ashes. Get ashes and throw.
Okay, get some ashes for to throw after we have planted the pumpkin seeds.
Yeah.
Okay. What does that do?
Ashes coming like fertilizer, you know?
Okay. People use it to fertilize?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Do I get that?
No, never get it at all.
She don't understand.
I'm slow this morning. Oh. Oh. So this is actually an old yam hill. So we're going to dig into it to see if there's any yam in it. So let's see.
Yeah.
The soil seems really soft though.
Because of the rain.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, but Marcel, this don't look like no yam in there at all. Oh my God, that's what we got?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes, I took it. And it's alright.
Oh, yam down there? Oh yes. It looked like we get a piece of yam.
So yam head, you know?
That's yam head.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you can get a little
Right
piece. Oh wow.
Yeah, just plant back that same way.
Yeah.
But you know, plant it back, we have cut off a piece of yam off it.
Hmm. Okay, so you're going to put some pumpkin seeds there too? So guys, there are a number of persons that I have to say big up to. Jaren, big up yourself. We're always talking on the phone. That's wonderful. And I have to say a special thank you to a lot of our viewers and subscribers. A lot of persons would have reached out from overseas, you know, even to, sometimes it's just to say, you know, thank you for highlighting this, or, you know, to give us commendations on what we have been doing. And trust me, we appreciate your call, every single one of them. So thank you so much. So guys, also please go over to our kids channels, Life with Trem and Life with Izzy, and please subscribe and share. Please help us to get them to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. So we still have plenty of pumpkin seeds in the pan here. Oh boy. Seem like we're gonna be here more than the hour or two.
It's gonna take 2 hours to plant?
Well, let us see.
No, sir.
It look like it's gonna take really long, but
like
Yeah.
look like me can't do nothing.
It's not that. It's not that. It's just that farming is hard work.
Yes, it is hard.
It is hard work. Yeah. So big up to all our farmers. Enough respect for the work that you have been doing, and we appreciate it, you know. Many times we take these things for granted, but when you come to try it for yourself, you realize how much work it requires, you know. So big up and respect to our farmers every time. Okay, so we have found a whole heap of yam head, guys, or what used to be yam head, because they kind of spoil and don't look too good.
This I want to get out of one hill, you know. This guy have a plant back.
Yeah. So you, as you, another one in there. So as you can see that we never did too well with the yam over here. No, I'm not too sure what happened. You know, I theorize it's a number of things, but you know, we never did well. So we really, really lost. Really lost the yam.
How much money we lose?
Yes, guys, we're really losing money because we never had the yam yet.
Yeah, head. The plant head.
Wow. What's it go? You know, when life throws these things at you, you can't give up. You have to just try again. All right.
Can I get one judgment piece of yam, you know?
Not too bad. You can do something.
Yeah, this can cook.
Yep.
Cut it right here.
Yeah. So this is not too bad, guys. This is a good one.
Or if you not plan to plant it back, you cut it right. But you can cut it here and plant it still, you know.
Okay.
But the head sweet, kind of old. So no make sense to cut it too small, because you just lose it.
What do you mean by the head sweet?
To how long it in the dirt.
Oh.
So then what I say, it start to germinate already.
Oh, so it's sweet. Wow. I'm learning something.
So, because it's old, you know. So we'll put it right there.
Okay, okay.
And then we'll put a pumpkin right there. Hey, you need a plant sucker right there. But the plant not this way brought now.
Yeah. We soon take up that. Okay. Keep watching the pan to see how much is left. Seems like a lot. Oh, but by the grace of God, we soon finish. Because I'm like sweating and everything, you know, and I'm not doing much. Here I'm talking a lot. That's all I'm doing, and I'm tired. So
just imagine me, not sure.
Yeah.
Tired, bad.
What is that? Oh, a piece of glass in there. Oh my goodness, I've got to be careful. You need to wear some gloves.
With the yam?
Of course.
I wonder how that would work.
I don't know, but you can try it.
But we can't dig yam.
It's just to protect your hands, because you know, if you went in the wrong way a while ago, you would have gotten a bad cut.
See, machete, I use the yam broad mouth machete. It may have down here, huh? Yeah, my digging stick on my fork.
Head is in the way.
Oh, wow. Yam in there, no?
Yeah, it's gone down really far too. You're gonna make a digging stick?
Yeah.
So Marzel making a digging stick because we're trying to dig out this yam here, and it seemed like it actually gone down a little in the ground, so we need a stick in order to get it out. Mind you, we never came down here to dig yam this morning, but because we're planting the pumpkin seeds in the hills, and we're finding yam head in some and yam is still in some that weren't dug before. So
gone under the root.
Yeah.
Water down the thing.
Mm-hmm. What is that?
Like, I'm not sure. I think I did put back up.
Hmm. It's sticking to it. I heard it.
Yes.
Oh, there you go. Whoa. All right.
I can't go market.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow. If you think you can go to the market with this, I would want to know what you think if it was better looking.
So I almost lose the head, you know. Because this are really the sprout.
Mm-hmm.
So it break off.
Oh.
But we have an eye here. So it will grow right here, so.
Oh, okay.
Will grow right.
Mm. Oh wow. Okay, so that's done. Want to say hi also to Mrs. Aiken in St. Andrew. Big up yourself, Mrs. Aiken. We're always talking on the phone. Thank you so much for your continued support. Enough blessings. Yeah, so like I mentioned before, a number of persons would have been calling us. And we appreciate all the calls, all the support, you know. Enough respect for that always. Okay. All right. So here we are at another hill and we're finding yam in them. They're not so big when they come out, but you know, it's better than none. So like see, we have 3 pieces here where we cut off. Would have gotten out of 3 hills. And see, we are getting another one here. So see, we have yam and we could also share. Sharing is caring, no matter how small. Right?
Just head.
That's just head, so we're not getting no yam for this one. And this one looks spoiled too. Hold it up. Yeah, it's spoiled.
But it can plant, you know.
Yeah.
It grow up here, so you see it.
Mm-hmm.
But you see, when it stay like this, it don't really grow strong.
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes they put like this in the dirt. Come like.
You know, makes sense, right?
Yeah.
All right, so just gonna put in some more pumpkin seeds. And let me show you the pan. We still have a whole heap in there. So what I'm talking about, I don't think I'm exaggerating. It just look like nothing now come out at all. All right, let us see. Here. Maybe you could try some more seeds, like a 7, 6, 6, 7.
You want to run quick.
Yes.
But you can come back and plant the rest one next day.
No, but that's a problem because you see, if we leave with this, then we may not come back to replant until next weekend. And we don't want that, because then probably go spoil or something. We'd have to go dry them. So it makes sense to just plant them.
You can plant them dry, you know.
Yeah, I know. But
yes, them say when you plant it green,
Mm-hmm.
you get different type of pumpkin, like colors and stuff.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's best we just stay and get it out of the way, you know. Next weekend you can do something else. So go hang in there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So how many seeds are putting into the holes?
In here, sir?
In here, since we've been planting.
4 and 5, but here, so it look like I plant about 7.
Oh, yeah, take my advice, man.
Yeah, rules of that.
Okay. Girl rules. Can you imagine persons, always on the farm and planting, especially if you're doing this, you're mass producing, how much work it is? Oh, wow.
And they have to pay people for work.
Yeah. But even so, it's still a lot of work because those persons being paid. What is that? What is this thing?
This is a fatty leg.
Oh, I don't know, but it looks dangerous. Let me see it. Good. I don't think it's fatty like this. Somehow it looks so small.
Because it's a young one.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let him go? Okay. Yes, so viewers and subscribers, this is where we end the video today. I really wanted to show you when we actually complete planting the pumpkin seeds, but as it seems, it's going to take a while, or we're not going to finish it today. One of the above. But thank you always for your support, and until next time when we see you, thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe.